In this video, I'm going to share a quick and helpful Affinity shortcut that can save you a lot of time when creating multiple shapes. Affinity has a handy feature that makes creating repeated shapes much easier. For example, if I select the Star tool and click Drag to draw a star, I can press the arrow keys up, down, left, and right before releasing the mouse or trackpad to increase or decrease the number of copies along the horizontal and vertical directions. You'll notice the shapes may stretch as you adjust them, which isn't always ideal. Once you're happy with the number of rows and columns, simply hold Shift to keep the star perfectly proportioned, then release the mouse. From there, you can color or edit your stars however you like. If you frequently create large grids or repeated patterns, this little shortcut can speed up your workflow significantly. Thanks for watching. If you found this tip useful, be sure to check out my other Affinity tutorials and don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tricks.